What's going on, guys? Crustus Crypto here. I am back with another video, guys. It has been a month. I took a month off to give the market some time to cool off. I know I haven't posted a video at all lately. Sometimes, guys, you need to step away from the markets. Don't be too emotional and just kind of see where it goes, right? But I'm happy to come back. I am going to be changing how I approach my video uploads. I'm probably going to be doing it 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and just kind of compiling the news as it comes out. I want to make sure you guys are also up to date but not annoyed by my feed. So all those people, those 700 subscribers out there, thank you for being loyal. Thank you for staying subscribed, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I'm going to be doing a live stream. So please hit that subscribe button. If you're brand new to this video and brand new to this channel, welcome. I'm gonna be overhauling a lot of my things that's in my channel, such as my cover page, and also I'm still working on my website to get that up and running, guys. So please support the channel. I don't care about money. I just care about you guys' subscription and being able to tune into my crypto news and updates, guys. The market's not going anywhere. I'm still holding strong, guys. Again, real quick before I get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just my opinion, but it's an opinion that you can take with a grain of salt or you can take with a cup full. So let's get into the market, guys. I mean, Bitcoin is hitting that almost $40,000 range. As you can see here, this week it's up by 29%. So we got a huge range of green, guys, and the market is still nice. $1.5 trillion, guys. And this is the thing, right? We had that $20,000 Bitcoin crash. We always talk about it all the time, a couple years back. But as you can see here, we had a correction and a pullback, but we managed to maintain some levels of support, and now we're going back. So it's interesting to see where the market is heading now. And I see greens, guys. Again, it's important to note Ethereum's over $2,300. Bitcoin's at 40. I mean, the market is still looking great, guys. A lot of coins are up by 10, 20, 30%. So this is nothing to fret about, guys. Are we going back into a bull market? I can't guarantee that. We need to see where the market is going for the rest of the next week or so, and to see if it's on a bull market incline again. So EGLD, back at it. Obviously, I got my t-shirt here. I'm a hardcore EGLD fan and supporter, and also have my cup. I want to make sure that I am repping what I love, right? So EGLD is at $85.30. It's actually had a nice run up from its low of $70. So as you can see here, it's going pretty well. $1.6 billion market cap, super low from where it was, but a lot of coins are, a quarter of the price that it used to be. I mean, for EGLD, it's about a third because its highest was around $240. So as you can see here, it's at 85. Now, for those who are holding, continue to stake your coins, guys. The snapshots for the MEX tokens have already completed 12 weeks now. I'm collecting my staking rewards. I am going through trust staking. I'm getting 13.30% annual returns, guys. That's very well. That's very good. So as you can see here, Elrond's a sleeping giant. Now, a lot of people are wondering where the Maiar Exchange is, and that's what we're going to be talking about today in this video. So, Benjamin Minku, right? The Maiar DEX is coming. For me personally, I really am anticipating the release of the Maiar Exchange. I really want to see it come out already, but obviously some things takes time. And, I'm not a software developer, but I can't imagine the amount of work and headway that it needs to get into, creating something from scratch, right? Creating an exchange that is solid, that is, free of bugs as much as possible, and it can run smooth. So the latest version has just been released on the DevNet, and once live, this will be the biggest launch in the Elrond ecosystem since the release of the Maiar app. Now, the Maiar app, I love. I enjoy the Maiar app. It's very intuitive. It's very easy to navigate. Obviously, there's only 3 or 4 coins on there, but it doesn't matter because it's supposed to be centralized around EGLD, and you're supposed to be able to use it, be able to hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, the kind of things that EGLD is paired to. So it makes sense to me why there's not much coins on the Maiar app, because that's not the focus. They want you to use EGLD. But obviously, they're having a Maiar exchange where you're able to swap that for many other different assets. So I think that's awesome. So this is kind of the layout that they're having here. I think it's pretty cool. You got farming, obviously liquidity, next gen, AMM DEX, governance, and we're gonna have to see exactly what's gonna happen. And I want to know, MEX price is $1. I hope it will be $1 upon release, but we don't know for sure. let's talk about, what he's saying in this in this tweet. He's posted this about a couple of days ago, but I want to cover it myself and talk to you guys about it. So, funding, liquidity, swaps, and yield, scalable, accessible, and inexpensive, setting a new set of economic forces in motion. He's saying building something users love is hard. Deeply caring for users is hard. The Maiar DEX brings a delightful experience wrapped in robust security, and this takes time and a great amount of effort, which we've seen now. We've been waiting for months, but in the end, the only thing that matters is the thing that lasts. The last 2 weeks have been very productive for the Maiar Decentralized Exchange, and we have now completed a first version. So guys, the Maiar Exchange is coming out very soon. They already have their first version completed. Now they're just testing it, making sure that it's running up as optimum as possible. They got new features such as abstraction of wrapped EGLD, batch transactions, reinvest, and consolidate features. I like that reinvest. Compound interesting is such a powerful tool, and if we're able to reinvest automatically, hopefully, that'll be awesome. Batch signing multiple transactions mean you can do more with less interactions, which means it's providing liquidity, has 4 transactions, wrapping EGLD into the smart contract. You send the first, send the second, and claiming the LP NFTs all in one go. So, you can do multiple things at one time, so you don't have to do it separately, which is cool. This requires a Maiar app update. I like that. And we might also use this feature for other things, such as delegating all staking rewards to all the respective pools you staked in. I think this is going to be huge, guys. Because right now, obviously, I have to go in there and I have to restake my EGLD, and depending on the staking provider, if you have 3 different staking providers, you're going to have to redelegate to each one. I think if they're able to implement feature in the Maiar app where it just automatically reinvests my staking rewards, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, whatever the case may be, I think that people can just really make money passively, and I think that's awesome. So hopefully that gets implemented. Still, the Maiar DEX is a monster. Every serious component we've built at Elrond is being used and stress tested. So they're working hard, guys. They're not just sitting on their butts and not doing anything. I really, truly believe that they're doing what they need to in order to get this going. Someone commented saying that this is a Romanian pump and dump. Obviously, people don't know how to do their research, right? So you just ignore people like that. They don't understand. 9, sharding, VM, Rust framework, APIs. Bunch of tech stuff, guys. I'm not going to bore you guys with all this information. I'm only going to be pointing out the most important and pertinent things. But why so much effort? Because without a doubt, this product will be big. So they're claiming it's going to be a huge launch, guys, and that can definitely affect the price, right? So could it be bigger than the Maiar app itself? It certainly could. In terms of utility, one can easily foresee scenarios where the Maiar DEX creates 100x or 1,000 more transactions a day than the Maiar app. Yeah, guys, people love staking pools, people love farming and swapping, as you can see with Pancake Swap, with all these, so-called shit coins and all that stuff, the meme coins. People love swapping, making, 20x in a week. So if the Maiar Exchange is able to support that, I think that's going to be cool. What about the economic impact? Well, if Uniswap and PancakeSwap can teach any useful lesson, it's that a well-designed AMM can be a far more efficient growth engine than everything else created in that ecosystem. Pause and think about that for a second, guys. You can pause this video and think about that, right? PancakeSwap and Uniswap has shown the world what exactly, cryptocurrency is capable of, being able to swap. And if the Maiar Exchange is able to do that in such a better and more efficient way, people are going to be jumping ship and be hopping into the Maiar Exchange. And that's what I'm looking forward to. In other words, if the Maiar DEX works as expected, it will set in motion a new set of economic forces within the Elrond ecosystem. And what type of forces is that? It will feel like a new staking force begins to attract significant liquidity and lock more circulating supply. Basically what he's saying, it's going to jack the price up of EGLD. It's going to make it more valuable to hold. It will create a new token for the ecosystem and community, opening a new opportunity to be part of the Maiar DEX ecosystem and its governments. And it will also attract even more liquidity from other ecosystems. And then D, it will significantly accelerate the startup iteration cycles within the Elrond ecosystem, providing immediate liquidity for new projects and plenty of opportunities for community members. So testing, that's kind of their focus right now, just testing the exchange and making sure that everything is good to go. And once this version is done, full community testing begins, and then a battle of yields competition. And then after that, the DEX launch. So I hope it's soon, guys. Halfway through 2021, progress is remarkable. The stats are here. We got over 60% of the total circulating supply of EGLD staked, which is amazing, which means people are making money passively. But to make them more meaningful and lasting, it's important to put a lot of effort and care into building them. Yes, some things take time, guys. The tortoise and the hare. Tortoise will win 10 out of 10. At the end of the day, the goal with Elrond is to build a high bandwidth, low latency, transparent financial system and give anyone, anywhere, easy access to it. And the Maiar DEX is a critical part of that, guys. Critical part of that. So we just have to focus on what matters and keep pushing super hard. Results will undoubtedly follow. The score would take care of itself. And next update once the MEX is ready for community testing. So they're back to, back to the workshop, back to building, guys. Huge stuff in the making. Please trust the process. I know I am. I'm still holding EGLD, like I said. And we just have to see what happens. Now, a couple more things. I don't want the video to run too long, but Forbol, the leading Asian blockchain firm, is joining as a staking provider. So as you can see here, I won't read this entire thing, but there's another staking provider featured by EGLD. I think the majority of staking providers now can accept infinite number of EGLD based on the new staking 3.5 update. So you won't really have to worry about, it's more of a flavor. Right, more of a flavor, more of a what APR, what kind of logo, what kind of brand ecosystem that you want to join, right? You have an option in a democratic world, in most places, to pick which staking provider you like and which one you want to put your money in. So it's just another option for you guys. They're based out of Hong Kong. China, with the China FUD right now is huge. So, if you want to go with a leading Asian blockchain firm, Forbol, please do so. And then lastly, guys, just some kind of overall crypto news. Real quick, market strategist says Bitcoin's best days are ahead and it won't see restrictive Fed policy anytime soon. So what is it saying? The founder of investment management firm Michael Lee Strategy says that the best days of Bitcoin are definitely ahead of it, expecting the cryptocurrency to make all-time new highs. The strategist further says that it'll be a long time before you see any sort of taper or any sort of restrictive policy from the Fed or other central banks worldwide. So market strategist expects Bitcoin to make all-time new highs, guys. So Michael Lee, which is the founder of Michael Lee Strategy, shared his outlook for Bitcoin in an interview with Fox Business Monday. You guys can check that video out. Just search it up in YouTube. I'm sure it's on there. Commenting on the price of Bitcoin hitting $60,000 earlier this year is just a side effect of endless money printing that's going on. So again, guys, think long term, right? I won't read this article in full, but he sees the Fed's not really implementing something strict that will constrict Bitcoin and its price point. Look, guys, I can tell you right now, there's institutions and corporations and banks and media moguls buying Bitcoin. They see how cheap it is. They see much potential returns that they can make, much more than the stock market, much more than index funds, guys. They see huge potential for growth. And if they can spend millions and potentially billions of dollars in investing in Bitcoin, they know exactly where this is going. So the government, obviously it's a capitalistic country in America. And, just speaking on America's behalf, people love to make money, right? And I don't see them making something that has potential for profit, go away. So Michael Lee, he predicts that, hey, Bitcoin's going to go up high. Like I said, long term, guys, I think Bitcoin is going to go up to $100,000 easily. And the same thing with Elrond. My price prediction has always been $1,000. I foresee $500 at the end of the year. That's my personal prediction, obviously, but that's kind of like my price point. I can see it valued at $500 if the Maiar Exchange goes off without a hitch. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think of these news. Comment down in the section below. I'm back, guys. I'm going to be starting to do more videos again. Again, guys, I apologize for me not posting anything. I had somebody comment say, Crusty Crypto, stop making videos because the market's down. No, guys, I'm still holding strong. I'm still holding EGLD, obviously, but I'm going to be back in it. The markets look great. The markets look like they're going to go back up again, and I'm looking forward to it. So please like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a good one.